Hi guys, we're here today to show you how to play hurricane handling. So this is basically a ball handling skill. We have some balls and space around us. It's the only requirements for this game. Now the good thing about these programs that I really love is that there's ability to change it up. So if you've got different ability levels in your group, for instance, we've got a range of ages and different abilities in our family group, so we're able to change our equipment a little bit to make it easier for everybody so everyone can get success at what they're doing. Okay, so everyone's got their ball. Yep. We're going to have a little bit of follow the leader, so I just want you to drop and catch. Swap hands. We're going to do some ball wraps. So we're going to wrap around our ankles, around our knees, around our waist, and around our head, and back down again.
Around our arm.
Around our arm. We can do around our arm. What a great idea. So I can be really creative with these things. Just follow the kids' lead and make them the leader for this. So around your arm. And what we're also going to do is, if you don't have anyone in your family group, you can beat your own skill at yourself. So if you've got 30 seconds, I want you to see how many body wraps you can do. And another thing we might do is try to beat our score for the next time. Okay, let's try some some challenging catches. Let's go up and clap. See how many claps we can get. Want to try that one? Up and clap. We can try under our leg and catching it. We can try all different things. So it's all up to you what you guys want to do. Go and have some fun.